In this lesson, we're going to discuss the suffix "an". Adding "an" to a word is to cause or to do something to a person or thing. Let's take a look at this first example. Balat. Balat means skin. The mango peel is thick. Ang balat ng mangga ay makapal. In this example, balat means peel. If we're going to add "an" to balat, it becomes balatan. Balatan is to peel. Peel the mango. Balatan mo ang mangga. Next, hugas. Hugas means washing. You're always washing. Hugas ka ng hugas. If we add "an", it becomes hugasan. To wash. Wash the plates. Hugasan mo ang mga plato. Tawag, call. You have a call. May tawag ka. Tawagan, to call through phone. Call your mother. Tawagan mo ang nanay mo. Walis, broom. Get the broom. Kunin mo ang walis. Walisan, to sweep. Sweep the floor. Walisan mo ang sahig. Sulat. Sulat means letter or handwriting. You have a letter. May sulat ka. You have a very bad handwriting. Ang pangit ng sulat mo. Sulatan, to write to. Write to me. Sulatan mo ako. Tulong, help. I need help. Kailangan ko ng tulong. Tulungan, to help. Help me do this. Tulungan mo akong gawin ito. Take note that O in tulong was changed to U. A change of spelling from O to U is common in Filipino words when conjugating. Abot, within reach. Is it within your reach? Abot mo ba? Abutan, to pass to. Hand me some money. Abutan mo ako ng pera. Again, the O in abot was changed to U. Iwan, to leave. Just leave it there. Iwan mo lang dyan. Iwanan, to live. Just leave it there. Iwanan mo lang dyan. For this word, iwan and iwanan are kinda the same. You can use both terms interchangeably. Ngiti, smile. You have a very beautiful smile. Ang ganda ng ngiti mo. Ngitian, to smile at. Smile at your grandfather. Ngitian mo ang lolo mo. Bigay, something given. This was given by him. Bigay niya ito. Bigyan, to give. Give me too. Bigyan mo rin ako. Here, when adding an, it's bigyan, not bigayan. Bigayan is another term which may mean give away. Bukas, open. The window is open. Bukas ang bintana. Buksan, to open. Open the window. Buksan mo ang bintana. Just like bigay to bigyan, bukas is conjugated as buksan and not bukasan. Kanta, song. I made a song. Gumawa ako ng kanta. Kantahan, to sing to. Sing to us. Kantahan mo kami. In here, the last letter of the word kanta is letter A. H is usually added in between when the last letter of the root word is letter A. This is for ease of pronunciation. Puntahan, to go to. Go to your father. Puntahan mo ang tatay mo. This is another example of adding han instead of an as a suffix. Note that punta's last letter is the vowel A. Dala, something brought. This was brought by him. Dala niya ito. Dalhan, to bring to. Bring him food. Dalhan mo siya ng pagkain. Again, han was added instead of on. Also, it is not dalahan but dalhan. This is for ease of pronunciation, which is the same with bigay to bigyan and not bigayan, and here dala to dalhan, not dalahan. Tira, left over. These are leftovers. Tira ang mga ito. Tirhan, to leave something for. Leave some fruits for your sister. Tirhan mo ng prutas ang kapatid mo. Again, han was added instead of on. And it is not tirahan but it is tirhan. Tirahan is a different term which means house or shelter. Ganda, beauty. Her beauty is one of a kind. Natatangi ang ganda niya. Gandahan, to beautify. Make your project nice. Gandahan mo ang proyekto mo. Again, han was added instead of on. It's gandahan, not gandaan. Tanda, remembrance, or sign. This is a sign of my hard work. Tanda ito ng pagsusumikap ko. Tandaan, to remember. Remember what I told you. Tandaan mo ang sinabi ko. Even though Tanda's last letter is A, the suffix that was added was an and not han. Tandaan and not tandahan. Now that I'm making this lesson, I myself as a Filipino is also confused with my own language. I bet you're confused as well. What I can say is, familiarization with the terms is the key. Tawa, laughter. Your laugh is very loud. Ang lakas ng tawa mo. Tawanan, to laugh at. Just laugh at your problem. Tawanan mo na lang ang problema mo. Okay, for this word, tawa. It is not han that's added but nan. I suppose N was added and not H because it's easier to say tawanan rather than tawahan. N is a common letter when conjugating Filipino words. Again, it's for ease of pronunciation. Remember it. Tandaan mo. Live it. Iwanan mo. Laugh at her. Tawanan mo siya. Feel it. Balatan mo. Write to me. Sulatan mo ako. Smile at her. Ngitian mo siya. Please take note that these and words are in their basic form and it still has different aspects, incompleted, uncompleted, and unstarted actions, which will be discussed in the next video. Thank you, and I hope you learned something.